Hey guys, welcome to another short lesson. Today we're going through the three covariance rules, and it's very important to be familiar with these. They should be second nature to you because they're going to be used very frequently. And basically all three of these rules follow from the definition of covariance. Now in this short video, I have not included the proofs for these rules, but if you're interested, then you can watch my separate videos for the proofs. Okay, so the first rule is the addition rule. Okay, so let's say you have a random variable y which is equal to v plus w, then the covariance between x and y is going to equal to the covariance between x, v plus the covariance between x, w. It's as simple as that. The next rule is known as the multiplication rule. So let's say you have a random variable y which is equal to b, which is a constant, times z, another random variable. So in this situation, the covariance between x and y is going to equal to b times the covariance between x and z. The third rule involves a situation where we have a random variable y which is basically equal to a constant, let's say b. Now in this situation where y is equal to b, which is a constant, the covariance between x and y is going to be equal to 0. Now like I said, I have not included the proofs for these three rules in this video, but you can watch the separate videos. The link is in the description box below. Thank you.